What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be covering two projects that I'm personally very interested in and I believe have great potential. If you like CNFTs and you like the sound of that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single CNFT video. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT, as I post regular CNFT news, discussions, and I post CNFT giveaways on the regular. And if you like me that extra little more and you want to support me, I started up my own project called Nerds and Virgins, which is in my description, so click that there. And here you go, at Nerds CNFT, which is dropping on the 10th of November at 5 PM UTC. Pop into the Discord, come say hi, I'd love to chat to you. Even if it's not about the project and it's just about CNFTs as a whole, it'd be great to get to know you all. Anyway, that's enough about me, let's dive into these awesome projects. So the first project I'll be talking about today is Lunars. So Lunars have already had their original drop, which was sold out. They sold out 6,666 legendary Lunar characters, and it was an awesome drop, but now they have something that I believe will be a lot more popular, and that is Space Lunar, which is a collaboration with SpaceBuds. Yeah, you heard that right, SpaceBuds, the #1 CNFT project of all time. 13 million in ADA volume and a floor of 4,580 with a sale over $1 million. So this clearly is a big deal for Lunars, and it would be a big deal for anyone to partner with SpaceBuds. But for Lunars in particular, because they're rank 40, pairing up with the rank 1, which was a surprise for some. But given the quality of Lunars are and the professionalism of the team, it's not a surprise for me. Real recognize real, and SpaceBuds have obviously seen some potential in Lunars. So here's the official announcement. Our team is proud to announce that we've teamed up with SpaceBuds for a charity collaboration to bring the community 250 Space Lunars NFTs, and all proceeds will be going to the True North Aid charity on the 5th of November at 10 PM UTC. They aim to raise some awareness for issues facing Indigenous communities in Canada, which is a great cause, and I'm glad that CNFT projects are doing this, so well done to SpaceBuds and well done to Lunar. And so as you can see on the screen, the artwork for these is absolutely amazing, and they have nailed this cross-themed NFT drop. And I really think many people will want these. 1, simply because of how beautiful the art is. 2, the whole Lunars community will want some. And 3, because of the affiliation with SpaceBuds. And 4, because of the fact that it's a low mint. There's only 250 of these. So these are scarce, and I believe that will ultimately give it value. The biggest things for me that are indicators of that these will do well is the fact that it's associated with SpaceBuds, which is a huge project, and as well as the low mint. So I really expect these to sell out quick, and I do believe these will retain some value. So I'm definitely interested in this. But aside from the price and investment purposes, I simply just want one of these cute Space Lunars. They are awesome and I really want one. The cost to get your hands on one of these beautiful NFTs is 75 ADA, which is a lot compared to other drops, but considering the low mint price and the affiliation with SpaceBuds and of course the charitable cause, I think this is a more than fair price. I'll leave all the valid links in the description for you to check out this project and to do your own research from their Twitter, their website and their Discord. It'll all be there. Please do your own research and do not listen to everything I say and take this as financial advice, because it is not. This is my interest and this is what I'll be doing, so do not take this as advice or any of that. It's simply my interest. So the second project I'll be talking about today has already minted, but it is a very interesting project and it caught everyone out by surprise. So this is Halloween Apes by Lovelace CNFT Publishing, who are a team of highly motivated individuals that have been in the CNFT space for a long time and have established quite a big community, with the Lovelace Discord amassing almost 7,000 members and their Twitter almost amassing 5,000 followers. So they're very popular in the CNFT space and they've been around for a hot minute. So what they did a silent drop, meaning they just dropped this, gave the address and said you can mint away. It was for these Halloween apes, which you can see one on the screen. They were at a measly price of 1388, which in this day and age of CNFTs is extremely cheap, and they sold out relatively quick considering that it was a silent drop. And you really can see why, given the quality of this art and how amazing these look. I'm personally a huge fan of the whole ape themed stuff, and most of the NFT world is, given Bored Ape Yacht Club's popularity and many more ape themed projects. This was the Halloween ape drop, but they are known as the Space Ape Club, and they have sneakily exploded in popularity, hitting number 10 in total ADA volume in the last 24 hours, all without a verified policy ID, which is huge because this is how a lot of people find stuff on CNFT.io, which is the biggest marketplace. Since launching, the floor has gone up to a 2088 floor, and the highest sale has been 188 ADA. And since launching, just 5 days ago, they've had 1,600 unique assets sold, which is also good, and it shows a good amount of volume and liquidity. When this policy ID gets verified, and when more and more people find these, I do believe the floor will get scooped up, as they are cheap, they are very good looking NFTs, and they have a great backing from a great team, and also have a lot of familiar faces involved with this project. I've seen a ton of influencers that I've said that I personally follow, all buying these NFTs, which is a good sign. If you've got the OGs and you've got the people that do this full-time buying this, most of the time it is a pretty good project. That by no means means that you follow these guys like sheep and mindlessly copy these people, but that is a good sign and is a good indication that this project most likely is a good project. I believe it is because of the good art, the good team, and as well as the originality in this project. So I really do think it can do well, and it can continue to do well. As of now, they have 1,400 members in their Discord and 500 Twitter followers after just a couple days. And I've actually seen in my own Discord, in the Nerds and Virgins Discord, a ton of these profile pictures for the people's Discord. And I've seen quite a couple on Twitter, so this is growing quite nicely, and I can see this to continue. I personally picked up 10, just to be transparent, and I haven't yet sold any, but I'm very happy with my investment. Even if this all goes to shit, I'm content with it. I only spent 130 ADA, and I've got awesome apes in my wallet. At the end of the day, this is what you've got to be willing to do, as nothing is guaranteed in the CNFT space. So I'm happy with this, but I do think this project will continue to grow, and I do believe this floor will continue to rise. But outside of all that, I just think it's a really cool project with really cool art, which is, of course, the biggest thing. If you're interested in this project, I'll leave a link to the Space Ape Club Twitter, Discord, as well as the Lovelace CNFT Publishing Twitter, website, and the Discord. Everything you need to do diligence and to do your own research on this project, and so you can veer away from listening to me like an absolute sheep. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this, but most importantly, hope you found it valuable. Please do your own research and let me know. Are you interested in these projects? If so, tell me what one. Are you into the Space Buds collab with Lunars? Or are you into the Space Ape Club? Or are you into both? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think of these projects? Anyway guys, that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.